If you're interested in finding out if the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is actually worth it versus regular glam bags, you're in the right place. That's what we're gonna be looking at today. Hello my beauty buddies, today we're going to take a look at the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Ipsy sent this to me for review. I'm super excited to have it because I have been a subscriber, paid out of my own money for probably, gosh, at least 4 years. So I have 3 glam bags right here from the last 3 months that we can look at. Those are $10 a month and this is $25 a month. You get 5 full-sized items in this one, and in your glam bag you get 5 sample sizes, although sometimes there's full-size stuff in there. You know, it's just kind of hit or miss, you never quite know. I have found that most of the $10 bags end up being somewhere between $30 and $50 in value. Once in a while it gets a lot higher though. It's just, you never know. I've seen them up to $60, $70. And in here, it seems like they're always at least $150. So, you know, kind of bang for your buck money-wise. They're both pretty good deals. It just depends if you want more of samples or full size. So let's check this out. Oh, and the most exciting thing is the reason I never received this was because when it first opened up, it was very limited on who could sign up for it. And I was trying, you know, as a subscriber, longtime subscriber, because you had to be a Glam Bag subscriber when they first put this out to even subscribe to this. But now anyone can subscribe to this. So just want to give you a heads up. And I just looked before I filmed this video and it was open. You would be able to subscribe if you wanted to right now. So anyhow, let's take a look at what's inside. All right, so falling out of here. This is by Goldfaden MD, a Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. I'm always one for eye gel. I'm 51 years old, so or eye cream, and I'm always, you know, trying to work on this area because, you know, that's kind of the first part to go, right? This is dermatologist developed natural skincare, and they're saying they're the first one to be dermatologist developed natural skincare. So I'm excited to check this out and see what it is like. So this is what it looks like. Let's just do a little pump. So here we go, a little white cream here. Very light, and there's really not a fragrance. There might be the tiniest hint, I mean like the tiniest, like that's gone. It almost felt like there's a teeniest bit of just kind of a fresh, almost a citrusy scent to it, but yeah, I smell really nothing now. So looking at the ingredients, there is no fragrance, so it must just be one of the ingredients in here, the natural smell of it. But again, oh, this is good. It's got squalene in it. It's got glycerin, all very nice hydrating items in here. And oh, I know what it is. There is some grapefruit peel oil. It's like the third to last ingredient in here. This is Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream, and it's supposed to moisturize deeply for 24 hours. I have not ever heard of this brand. Oops, it's got the little thing here I'm gonna have to pull off in order to get the product out. So I think this, yeah, it's talking, this is for your face. Wow, this is a lot, 6 ounces. You usually get like an ounce for your face on skincare products. So, white cream. Let's see what it does. Oh, and by the way, the eye cream is fully in. There's like not a trace of it. My skin just feels softer. All right, so on my hand here, this one feels more moisturizing than the eye gel. Has a extremely light fragrance, very, almost just a clean fragrance. Let's see what's in here. Aloe, safflower seed oil, glycerin, dimethicone. So yeah, good ingredients here. I'm not seeing anything that is, there's no like alcohol or anything up there, the bad kind of alcohol. Yeah, so, all right, sounds good. Oh, and I should look real quick, I'm sure. I know I saw this on a spoiler. That I think is a $25 value. Let's see real quickly what the eye cream value was. $55 for the Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes. Okay. All right, Paris Hilton, we have a Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel, and this has a value of $29. I did not even know Paris Hilton had a skincare line. I thought she did makeup or something like eons ago, but apparently she has one now. That's hot. So this is what it looks like. It's quite large. This is 4 ounces. So let's see what this smells like. Just kind of a, also a clean scent. Oops, bubbling out. Look, it's a clear gel. Don't mind me, I know I look totally different, but something happened to the audio on the part of the video when I was talking about these. These are Galactic, and there are 2 3-in-1 lip sparkle balms. One is in Twinkle, one is in Periwinkle, and they are quite pretty. And there is a eyeshadow palette in here, and this is by Laura Sanchez. She was on the NYX, I think it was like 2016 winners of the Face Awards. So she has her own line, some really bright colors here. Take this off so we can see it better without glare. So I like bright colors. I do wear them, not today, I'm kind of more neutral, but I think these are rather fun. I will go ahead and try those out and see what I think. I really have absolutely no experience with this line at all, so I don't know much about it, but you've got two highlights, a deeper highlight, a lighter highlight, and then it looks like you could kind of get, you know, neutral look going here. If you, I mean, I would for neutral use this highlight color probably, and then these two, and then of course you've got a nice transition if you're doing a bright look. So overall, if it, you know, performs well, seems like a nice palette. Very versatile. If you're going somewhere and you wanted a couple different looks and don't want to bring a lot of palettes along, and that has a value of $35. And let's see what is in 3 months of Glam bags. So here are 3 months of Ipsy Glam bags. So these are the $10 each bags. And let's take a look at this one. You get Tarte base tape. You're getting a lip product from the Balm, a brush. You're getting a Laura Sanchez eyeshadow single, very pretty color, and a couple of masks. Here you're getting the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, Disco Kitten, this is a mask. Ciate, this is a lip product that I love their lip products, so I'm psyched for that. And then a pure powder. Here you've got a nail polish, a lipstick, a lip treatment, a concealer, and a facial wash. So looking at these, I think they're all worth $10. My goodness, especially this one with the lip product and that cream. You're, you know, killing it on the price there. And the Tarte base tape and that brush looks like it's actually quite nice. And a couple sheet masks. This one here also, good stuff. I would say this is my favorite of the three. This is my second favorite. And this is my third favorite. So for me, I think that the Glam Bag Plus is probably something that I would tend towards more because I like the more full-size products and the larger palettes. Again, I think that the Ipsy Glam bags are fabulous for someone, you know, maybe if you don't have a huge makeup collection, you really like sample sizes, you want to try lots of stuff, but either are good. And honestly, I don't know if I would be canceling this one because I've really been enjoying some of the brands I've come across. I've come across some pretty cool brands, and oh, an Ipsy Shopper. If you don't know about Ipsy Shopper, you should check that out. They have some fabulous, fabulous deals that come through there sometimes, like for 70% off of some products that will at the same time still be at Sephora or other places for full price. So make sure to check that out too. I'm really happy with this. I think the value is really good for $25 to get over $150 in value. I think is awesome. And yeah, if you have any questions, put them down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And it really helps me out if you give this a thumbs up and put a comment in the comment section, even if you just say hi. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and don't forget to wear your sunscreen.